Hi guys, in this video we're going to get started with Python. Now to get Python up and running on your computer in school, we're going to click on the start button and we're going to start typing Python, and you'll see that the program we've got installed is called IDLE, I-D-L-E. That is the one that I'm going to click on, and it opens up this really boring looking program here like this. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment, and this is just a place where you can come up with Python programs, write your code in here, and then test them out. You can run your Python code. So to get started in Python, the thing that you need to kind of worry about and work out in Python is these windows, because it can get a little bit complicated. In the same way that it did when we were using HTML, we were using Notepad++ to write our code, and then we were looking at the result of our code in a web browser. It's very similar in Python. So in order to create a new file, we're going to go to File, and New File, and this is going to be our code. Okay, so I'm going to put this on the left hand side. This will be the code that we write, and over on the right hand side, this is where our code will actually be executed and we'll be able to see it running. Okay, so over here I'm going to do a very, very simple program where I'm just going to put something on the screen, and in Python, if you want to put some text on the screen, you need to type the word print and then open up some brackets, and inside the speech marks is the thing that you want to appear on the screen. So I'm going to say, hello, this is the worst program ever, and close my speech marks and close my brackets, and that's my program. Now I'm going to run this program, and we should see the result over here on the right hand side. So I'm going to go to run, and I'm going to run the module, and it says here, gives me a little error and says, whoa, you need to save this file first. So I'm going to click on OK, and I'm actually just going to save mine on my desktop. You will need to save yours in your user area inside your computer science folder. I'm just going to say this is my first Python program, like that, and save it on my desktop. Okay, and I can see that the file is over here on the desktop, so it's been saved, and I can also see that it's run the code for me, and there in that blue text there, it has run the code. If I run it again, it should restart and run the code again. That is now running. Okay, that shows that we've got Python up and running using IDLE. We've created a new file, we've run that file, and it's forced us to save the code, and then we've run it over here and we can see the result. Now if I add another little line to this and say let's just put hello from Mr. Laycock like this, just to see that we've got some code, and I will go to run again. What it's going to do is it's going to say, hey, hang on a minute, you need to save this file because you've changed it before it runs it. So let's run that. It's saying source must be saved. Okay to save? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and now it's run the program again, and we can see both of those lines have been printed over here.